Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover after class notification. So let's get started. So directly we move to the example. Okay. So after class we have here @test we have two. Then we have after class here and three test icon. Four tests are there. And now execution. So 1, 2, 3 and then the above are the programming languages and 1 2 3 4 above the automation testing tool. So what is it above the automation tool? This one and this one. So one first, second, third and then this fourth. So here 1 2 3 and then 4 and then here this one. Okay, after class. So same is printed here. Okay, if you have any question related to this video, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.